That's the stairs where we came down from. And I thought I'd give you guys a view further downstream and what it looks like. So cool. Now let's look further down here. Oh. Look how big this boulder is. Give you my feet for size comparison for scale. Let's see if I can maybe get on over here a little bit. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Well, I'll head on back up. And I think we might just explore that little path we saw coming down. So I think you probably don't want to see me climbing upstairs, so I'm gonna pause right here and then I'll meet you back up there. Alright? See you in a bit. Alright guys, we made it back up here. Let's see what's over here. I might not even go anywhere really. Oh, there's some steps here, kind of. Oh, I guess they made this into a path, after all. Whoa. Oh, we could have just went from that way. Huh, from the bottom. Oh well. Huh, what's this way? Does this go anywhere? Yeah. I guess it does. Huh. Oh, nope. I guess it just stops right here. Totally thought that was going somewhere. Maybe it did at one point and like, I don't know, trees grew there and fell down. Alright, well, I'll head on back up the stairs and we'll see if we can get on that footbridge that crosses the valley. Alright guys, see you back up there.